Hey guys, good morning. I hope you're doing great. I'm so glad to be with you guys. Remember that this week we're going to be celebrating Children's Day. Remember it's on April 30th. It's going to be your day, yes? So yesterday I was a clown. Yeah, I was a clown. Today I went to go get my hair done. Yes, do you like it? It's very colorful. A lot, look, a lot of colors, okay? So you like it? Yes, look, oh, so beautiful. Okay, very good, guys. So, I need you to pay close attention, okay? Look at the video, watch it, and then after you finish, you can write the exercise in your notebook, okay? Because we're going to look at countable and uncountable nouns, okay? So, I'm going to explain in a moment. Countable and uncountable nouns, okay? So, let's start. Now, here, it tells you countable nouns. Countable nouns have a singular and a plural form, okay? So, for example, apple, and apples. Apple, singular, apples, plural, okay? Here we have those that are, you can count them, okay? That is a plural, that is a countable noun, singular and plural. Apple, singular, apples, plural. So, for example, countable nouns have a singular plural form. So it tells you we can count. So we can count. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. It says a banana, 2 bananas. Yes. So here is singular, a banana. 1. 2 bananas. The word bananas. Okay. Banana, 1. Bananas, plural. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. All right. So here it tells you we can use a singular verb or plural verb. The banana is yellow. Is for singular. Remember that is for singular, yes? So, here, the banana is yellow. The banana is yellow is for singular because we have the word banana in singular, yes, with is, which is also singular. Then we have the bananas, plural. The bananas is in plural. Are is in plural too. So, the bananas are yellow, okay? The bananas are yellow, guys. All right, so no problems? Are we okay? I'm going to show you some examples later on, okay? Pay attention. Let's go with the next one. Countable nouns. Uncountable nouns, you cannot count, okay? You cannot. Example, water. Water, you cannot count. Milk, you cannot count, okay? So it says uncountable nouns have only one form, no plural, okay? We cannot count. For example, butter. You know the butter that you put on the hot cakes? Yes? The yellow? Yeah, that one. You put that you cannot count. So you cannot put butters. It's incorrect. So the correct form is butter. Yes? Okay. Always use singular, okay? Verb, always. For example, is. You cannot use are, okay? So always use a singular verb. Singular is sweet. Is. So, sorry, sugar, singular. Oh my God, teacher Betty. Sugar is sweet, singular. I was thinking in singular, okay? Sugar is sweet. So, sugar, can you count sugar? No, that's why it's singular. Oh, that's why I was thinking singular. Sugar is sweet. So, is singular because sugar you cannot count. Sugar is the one you put in the coffee to drink, yes? So, sugar is sweet. Okay, next one. We cannot use a, an, or a number before them. So, since these are uncountable nouns, we cannot use a, an, or a number. For example, we have 2 bananas is correct because it's countable. But if we put, example, a rice, no, because you cannot count rice. 2 rice, no, you cannot count rice, okay? A bread, exactly, you cannot count bread. 2 bread, you cannot count them. Understand? Okay, very good. Next one. Let's go to the next one. Examples. Examples. Okay, now, for examples. In examples, we have countable and we have uncountable. Yes? All right. Remember that countable is singular and plural. And uncountable, only singular, no plural. Okay? So here it says, countable. Apple, apples. Pear, pears. Egg, eggs. Carrot, carrots. Banana, bananas. Grape, grapes. Hot dog, hot dogs. Okay? Uncountable, no count. You cannot count it, okay? Rice, soup. Soup is like fideo, okay? So, soup you cannot count, all right? Water, coffee, milk, lemonade, sugar. You cannot count them, okay? You cannot count none of those. Those are uncountable. Countable, uncountable, okay? Yes? No problems? Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the next one. Here, what we're going to do, I want to show you an example of countable and uncountable. Here we have one apple. Here is an apple, one apple, okay? Countable, one apple. Now, if I was to put one, for example, here's one more apple. Here is another apple, okay? Yeah, here's another apple. And here we have three apples. One apple, three apples. It's an example, okay? That you can go 2, 3, 4. An apple is for singular, and 2, 3, 4, 5 is for plural. Yes, now we have uncountable. What did I tell you that you cannot count? Milk, coffee. Okay, here we have the milk, okay? Milk, we cannot count milk, okay? We cannot count it, yes? So, can you count it? Of course you can count, all right? Okay, guys, now, we're gonna go here to the exercise. To your, here you had to work on this. You had to write it down in your notebook. Remember to put the date, Tuesday, April 28, 2020, and following by the phrase, I am brave despite the difficulties, and our verb, hide, hid, hiding, okay? And the title, countable and uncountable, okay? Here we have the explanation that I just did for you. And then we have uncountable nouns, which I also explained to you. Oh, sorry, my hair is falling down. And then we have the examples that I gave to you. Okay, guys? Yes? All right, so this one, this part, all right, this, you already finished it, okay? Now we're going to go to another part of the notebook, which you're also going to write, because I want to show you what is the difference in some quantifiers, food quantifiers. We're talking about food quantifiers, yes? Now, in food quantifiers, we use food quantifiers when we want to express a non-specific quantity of countable or uncountable objects. For example, soup. Can you count soup? Oh, of course not. Can you count cereal? No, you cannot go 1 cereal, 2 cereal. It's impossible. Soda. Can you count the soda inside? Of course not. Milk. I told you that you cannot count milk, okay? So these are things that you cannot count. That's why we need food quantifiers to specify the quantity, if it's countable or uncountable. It doesn't matter, okay? All right. So let's start. A cup of. So a cup. Yes, a cup. A cup of coffee, a cup of hot chocolate, a cup of tea. Can you count this? No. You only say, can I have a cup of coffee? Only. You cannot say, can I have a cup of 5 coffee? No, it's incorrect. So you say a cup of coffee, a cup of hot chocolate, a cup of tea. The next one is a bag of. Okay, here we don't specify how much. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we don't specify. We just say a bag. Okay, for example, a bag of fruit. I don't know how much fruit. It's just a bag of fruit. A bag of potato chips. Do you know how much potato chips a bag has? No. A bag of apples. Don't know the quantity, but it's a bag of apples, okay? All right, good. Next one, a bowl of, okay? Like I told you, soup, fideo, okay? A bowl of soup, a bowl of fruit, a bowl of noodles, yes? Those are all in a bowl. You cannot count. You cannot count soup. You cannot count fruit. You cannot count noodles. Okay? All right. Now, the next one. A glass of. Yes? A glass of water. A glass of milk. A glass of water. A glass of orange juice. You cannot count. So you specify a glass. Can I have a glass of water, for example? Can I have a glass of milk? Example. Yes? Okay. Next one. A bottle of water, a bottle of lemonade, a bottle of ketchup, okay? That's a bottle. It's inside something, a container, a bottle of, okay? And then you have a box of chocolates, a box of eggs, a box of cereal, okay? Because it's not specifying quantity. It's just saying a box of what? Of chocolate, eggs, or cereal. Yes? Now, if you observe, you're using plurals and singulars, okay? But some are singular and some are plural. Yes, guys? Okay. No problems? Are we okay? All right. So this is how you had to write it down in your notebook, okay? You had to write April 28, 2020. Hide, hid, hiding, esconder, which is the verb, the handwriting. The title, food quantifiers, okay? Explanation, and here you're gonna do it just like that, okay, guys? Yes? I know you're doing such a great job. Just remember to use ruler, color neatly, write neatly, just like you do at school. I need you to do at home, okay, babies? All right. Okay, so guys, now remember when you finish your work, you're gonna scan it in your notebook. You're gonna scan your notebook. You're gonna scan it in the scanner, and you're gonna send it to this email so we can check it. Okay? Yes, as soon as possible, we'll answer your email. Yes, babies. Okay, so that is it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Yes, take care. Enjoy your day. I love you. Sending kisses your way. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye, babies.